How you can log in and create an Amazon account on your Fire TV. First of all, open the Fire TV app on your phone. Tap on More option. Select Sign In. Select Create account new to Amazon. First of all, enter your first name and last name. Enter your email address. Create your password. Tap on Create your Amazon account. Verify your email address. Enter OTP code. Select Create your Amazon account, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tutorial Tech for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.